Hello indulgers, welcome back to my kitchen. It has been a minute and I'm so glad you are here. Today I'm going to put you on to Nokoss. Nokoss is a very versatile multi-purpose green seasoning. It is commonly used in Senegalese and Gambian cuisine. And when it comes to packing flavor, our Francophone West African brothers and sisters really know how to throw down in the kitchen. So into my blender, I'm adding some curly parsley as well as a shallot, some leeks, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. I'm taking off the stems just to avoid any bitterness, and I'm following that with some spring onion straight from the garden. As fresh as possible, use the freshest ingredients to make your Nokoss for the best possible outcome. Next, I've added a white onion and I'm going to peel one whole bulb of garlic and add that in as well. Parsley is such an important ingredient when it comes to making Nokoss and you just can't get enough. So here I'm going to add some more flat leaf parsley into my blender. Following the parsley, I've added one stalk of celery as well as one sweet bell pepper. There is no one way to make Nokoss. It is very customizable and anything truly goes. You can add red bell peppers, coriander leaves, whatever suits your palate. And don't forget that Habanero for an additional kick of heat and flavor. To season mine, I am adding some coarse sea salt straight from the Ada River in Ghana, as well as whole black peppercorns. I've also added some water to help my blender go, and don't forget your garlic as well. So give that all a good blitz until all the ingredients are well combined, but do well to avoid making it into a puree. Ideally, your Nokoss should be a bit on the thicker side to enable you to season your fish and poultry with ease, as well as many other dishes, just as I demonstrated earlier on in the video. So to finish, just top up your Nokoss with some oil to prevent any bacterial growth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon.